Ever find yourself tangled in the web of website creation, dreaming of a simpler way to bring your digital dreams to life? Well, my fellow internet babes, today is your lucky day. Now there's a burning question for you. What if I told you that there's an AI tool that can turn your chaos of web development into the simple click of a button in 30 seconds? Yes, 30 seconds. So grab your virtual glasses and let's step into the future of web development with Durable. Durable is an AI wizard revolutionizing the way how we create websites now. Think of it as a superhero in a cape. It's just that the cape got lost in the coding and we have no time for drama. It will get your website online in seconds, where it is a fully functional professional website, a full website like the one I'm showing you right now. It can be that you're an entrepreneur that wants to go online, or you're already online but you want to expand your online footprint. Either way, you can use Durable to do that. So why waste your time with complicated coding when you can let Durable do the heavy lifting for you? Hi, my name is Tamika and welcome back to my channel. It's great to have you. Thanks for taking the time out to watch my videos and I really appreciate it. You could be doing something else, but thanks for the support. And before we go, I'd like you to like, share and subscribe if you haven't done so. This journey where there is no headache, no stress, no coffee binging. It's as easy as putting on or selecting your clothes for a night out. Durable is going to become your new best friend. A world of creating websites is so easy right now. Are you intrigued? Well, you should be. Now let's get cracking and making your dream of creating your website a reality. And I'm going to show you how to do this in 3 simple steps. First, we're going to create the website, then we're going to customize the website, and then I show you how to publish the website. Are you with me? Let's roll. So to start things off, you're going to go to Google as usual and you search for Durable AI. You do the search here and that's the symbol there. You click on that and you need to sign up, so you want to create an account. It's like a breeze really. The sign up process is straightforward and is designed with you in mind. So you come here and click sign in. Then when you click sign in, you don't have an account, so you go here and it says sign up. Okay, it's asking you to build a website in seconds, so you're gonna follow the steps and get started. First thing first, we're going to get started. So you hit the get started button and this is where the magic begins. This is just like a bookstore. When you go into a bookstore, there are different sections. You have the science fiction section, you have the personal development section. Similarly with the website, it has a vast digital library and your website needs to be in the right section and the right category. So you're going to take your time just to decide on what your business is about. What if you're doing blogs, or if you're doing e-commerce, or it's an educational site, you want to determine that as well. And each site is specific and unique to your needs, so you're just going to tell it what it's supposed to do and then it will create that for you. So say for instance in an e-commerce you have a built-in shopping cart, and it will give you the different functionalities. But for today, I'm going to take it that we're going to provide a catering business. So for persons who like cooking and preparing for parties, whether you do cakes and you do different meals, so and you want to expand your network and allow people to book online and put in their orders as to what they want for the function. So I'm going to select catering here. Or you don't have to select it. It has a list here, so you can go through whether the bakery, barbershop, beauty salon, the cafe, if you're in carpentry, if you're a chiropractor, you do cleaning, coaching, they have many options there, so you can select from the list. So I'm going to go with catering. Next, it's going to ask you for your location, and this will give your viewers or the person online how to find you. So we're going to say, like, put in Jamaica. So for example, Jamaica in Queens, New York. So it will give you an address. And next, we're going to go to the next category. And you want to take time in selecting your website. But after, I guess that's the hardest part, because after you decide on what you want and what you want the website for, then the rest is just very simple. So next, it's asking you what's the name of your business. So this part is very important. Remember, it's your brand online, so you want to take the time to give it the name, or if you already have a name and you just want to go ahead and put in that name. But if not, you just want to think it through carefully just to make sure that you have the name that resonates with you and fit your brand. So you're going to enter the name of your business right here, which is very important. So as we're going to do catering business, I'm going to call this one. And if you don't have a name, it's an AI tool, so right here you see where it gives you suggestions. So if you want to look at the suggestion it offers, so you have different options here. I think I like the Elegant Eats Catering, so I'm just going to select that. And there you have it. In just a few seconds, it's creating the website. So as we wait for it, and it's using the information that we gave it, that it's a catering business, and with the name that we provide. And there you go. That's it. The website is created. And here we have a look at it. So it's showing you images of the food. You have the header here. Also, it gives it a little logo and name Elegant Eats Catering right there, and your social media handle here. It says indulge in the exceptional cuisine. You could order from here by selecting the order now button, and it gives you the about section. It says Elegant Eats Catering is a premier catering service located in Jamaica. Can you imagine? And the services that it offers is customized menu creation, professional staffing, and event coordination. So if you're having an event, and that's perfect. It even provides a review. I mean, you can put your own review right here. Experience exceptional. You can book them here, put in your date, and it provides some nice images from. So look, excellent. You don't even need to change these, and it gives you the location here of where the business is, and for your customers to send you message right here. So this is a fully functional website with all the different parts to it. So once it's done, you can decide to edit and customize. So that will take us into, now we're going to go into customizing the website that was provided for us. And I'll show you the different sections, but this is pretty nice. I'm just going to make a few changes just to show you how to do it. So let's do that now. So customizing the web part is the fun part about it. So we're going to, at here you have the button that says customize. And when you hit customize, before you do so, it's going to ask you to create the account now. So what you do, you're going to enter, if you're going to use your Google account, or you enter your email and your password. You want to use an email that you're familiar with, that you use on a daily basis. So if there's any update from Durable, you can do that and use a password that you will remember. So you want to carefully take your time to do your password and your email right here. So let's do that now. So after you enter the email details, it's asking you to publish your website, go live with a custom domain. So we're not ready to publish it yet. We're going to go ahead and customize the website now. Now that we've added the account, we can customize the website, and this is the fun part, as I mentioned before. So let's get into it. So with the website, you're not restricted to the template that they've given to you. So you can, if you have a brand and you have a brand color, you can go ahead and change the colors. If you have a logo, you can change the logo, and we are going to do that here. So on each section, you can see where you can edit the header there. So for example, you want to change the name, so we'll keep the name, but just for example, Elegant Eats, and we'll take it out and you'll see the catering is gone. From there, if you want to do the logo, you can also select and put your logo here. So you'd replace your logo, hit replace here. I'll keep this one just for demonstration purposes. And your font, sometimes your brand might have a font that they'll use. You can change the font style that they've given to you and to use the one that you prefer. So if you prefer something a little bit more stylish, you can go through what they have here and select the one that you want. Okay, and then you have the preview there, or you can even use the AI tool to regenerate the logo. Say for example, you're not liking that one, you can select another logo. So you have different options here. Just use this one, so I'll replace it with that one. Or you can have all the options here. Again, just for demonstration purposes. And I'll just select this one as the logo here. Insert. And I changed it. I went ahead and changed the logo. That's how you do it. And if you want to upload your logo there, so we'll keep that. Okay, and if you want to change the style, you want to move the name from the left to the right, you can regenerate the style of your header by hitting regenerate. Will change it up for you and put it in the middle there. If you want to change, so you have the the social links as well. You can add your Instagram link and your Facebook link there. If you want to add a button, like you want to add email, or you want to add the business phone number, you can do that here as well. If you want to change the colors, no, you just come to style and it will give you a color theme. Maybe you want to select and change it up from that color to this one. You can do so. Or if you want to go in and select your business colors, you can do so as well. So just play around with the colors. The colors is really what makes the website pops. And then there you have it. Then I'm not liking this color here, so I'm going to come to this section and I'll edit or regenerate the images and the style. Or just, you can regenerate the entire section, or you can just put in the info that you want to be there. So edit. Indulge in exquisite cuisine crafted for my occasion across the Cayman Islands. You want to change. Well, my fellow internet babes, there you have it. The magic of durable. Creating a website has never been this easy. And I dare you to say entertaining. If you enjoyed the journey or the world of creating a website with AI, remember to like and subscribe and look out for our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.